All the times before this court, kindly excuse me, for all this time before this court, whether it's a single bench or the division bench, only the unsuccessful candidates have been heard.
No.
My lord, kindly.
If they are made unsuccessful,
we have to go by the principles of law.
There cannot.
No,
see, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, all is not well. All is not well. All is not overboard. So let us not enter into that arena.
No, this is not.
So that is not a proper.
If a perception, kindly excuse me, Milord. Kindly excuse, since your lordships have said so, Milord, any perception of any incorrect things, if it is not established here,
because perception of the court and the perception of the council may not.
No, may not be. I am not saying. But I am saying, Milord,
but for the time,
I am submitting. Milord, I am submitting. Milord,
we are not deciding anything. But the suggestion of the Advocate General.
I follow, my lord. But the case is that, my lord, kindly appreciate one thing, my lord.
Yes.
This is a selection process, my lord.
Correct.
This selection process emerged from TET 2011 and TET 2015, my lord. So there is no relation between TET and selection process. This is completely different. Whosoever attain the minimum eligibility criteria, that is TET qualified, thereafter he or she can participate in the selection process. What they done, my lord, after this order, my lord, 2021 order, my lord, School Service Commission, by their affidavit says, even after interview, they reassess the OMR sheet. I put this question to myself, whether that reassessment is permissible under statute or not, my lord.
That is on merits. Publication of the panel does not mean.
By this exercise, my lord, kindly just appreciate on a factual aspect. By this exercise, my lord, almost 1,000 candidates, they are just washed out, my lord, from the selection process. My lord, you are anticipating that, Mr. Advocate General, that your client may be surprised to find some in the panel. Let some work be done, because otherwise, you see, this order is not on a challenge. This order was passed by a coordinated bench on 20th July 2021. And thereafter also, in the division bench, which I was a party at that relevant point of time, we have directed certain exercises to be carried out by the School Service Commission, and the said process is on. So whatever is done, let us know. Your right will not be prejudiced by the public. Then, my lord, kindly give that particular order, my lord. The effect must not be given, my lord.
No, yes, my lord, no. Sir, Advocate General is saying so. So let one hurdle be over.
And before that, my lord, my lord, sorry. My lord, I have some submissions.
My lord, before that, my lord.
My lord, all the times before this court, kindly excuse me, for all this time before this court, whether it's a single bench or the division bench, only the unsuccessful candidates have been heard.
No.
My lord, kindly.
If they are made unsuccessful,
we have to go by the principles of law.
There cannot.
No,
see, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, all is not well. All is not well. All is not overboard. So let us not enter into that arena.
No, this is not.
So that is not a proper.
If a perception, kindly excuse me, Milord. Kindly excuse, since your lordships have said so, Milord, any perception of any incorrect things, if it is not established here,
because perception of the court and the perception of the council may not.
No, may not be. I am not saying. But I am saying, Milord,
but for the time,
I am submitting, Milord. I am submitting, Milord. Your lordships
will hear it. Don't worry about it.
Milord, before that, my lord, we have to. How many matters is there? But there is
you have to look at the panel for yourself, then you come back. Take down. We'll hear out the matter. We are not giving any order for appointments. We are only directing.
Before that, my lord.
Your lordship may direct.
See, publication of the panel does not mean that appointments are being given.
Subject to correction. The panel will, if I am succeeding then the panel position to be changed. I can participate in the council.
That is why you are not following. We just want to know what steps have been taken. The completion, this order has to be taken to a logical end. So logically, after the implementation of this order, what is the present scenario? We are just trying to find out that. I don't understand why you are so obstructive about it. We want to know this for the benefit of the court. Court wants to know what steps have been taken pursuant to this order.
May I
And there are
apply?
several orders passed. You have not raised any objection at that point of time.
My lord, may I be permitted to say one thing, my lord? Even if the panel is passing, we would reserve right to challenge. Even if the panel is we would reserve the right to challenge it.
See,
if we find
panelists-
any error.
We will decide the matter. In the panel, suppose persons whom you are
Left out.
representing, they may be in the panel.
Yes.
Then those persons' grievance goes.
Apart from that,
If-
apart
if
from
And then we have to find out. See,
they would reserve the right.
See, we are not depriving anyone of any right. If they deserve it, they should be given.
Malad,
We are
they-
not standing in the way. But at the same time, those who are successful, they also deserve to be appointed. And in the process, what happened, I tell you, because we have just now decided on the case of the para teachers so far as the primary is concerned. There are a lot of course, these are all the teachers who are already para teachers, the existing teachers. But these persons who are there are a number of vacancies to be filled up. At the end of the day, who suffer? The students suffer.
elementary education suffer.
Education suffer. So I hope that none of you would want the education of the state suffers. So those who are successful, they should not be made to suffer.
We are not for suffering. We are that for.
And
for the
we'll try to
sanctity
find
of the
out. We'll also try
selection
to find
process.
out because vacancies are increasing day by day.
Yes.
So if 15,000 was the vacancy at that point of time, let us assume in 2020 or 2021
Yes,
when it's
yes.
there. By this time, Mr. Advocate, I'm sure that the vacancy has increased.
My lord, I don't have the latest
No,
exact
so
figure, but
you will. It is not that you will. If you are successful,
We are exactly in this point, my lord.
if we are successful, you will certainly be accommodated.
We are exactly in
We
this
assure
point.
you on that. We assure you on that.
My lord, may I submit one line? Not more than that, my lord. We are completely with this quote, my lord. There is a specific provision in the statute itself. Before 15 days of interview.
If you are completely with us, then allow us to pass.
No, my lord,
Allow us to pass to that order.
my lord, one thing. My lord, there is an update vacancy. That's why in the statute itself, there is a provision before in 15 days of an interview.
Let us first see that our order, how it is taken care of. Why, Mr. Advocate?
Let them publish the
Let
vacancy.
us see, Mr. Advocate, how
Not only your lordship's order to 20th July, thereafter 2 orders have been passed. All the orders have been taken care of. I wish to submit to your lordship's bullet. Kindly, the lordships do not take any order. Just saying, kindly see.
Let them publish the
The problem is we will not try to speak. This unsuccessful candidate will speak.
Mr.
No, I am not getting
Mr. Bandhavadhyay, today we are not. We'll hear all of you.
That's right, my lord.
For the time being,
And kindly that
let us.
your lordship picks up the problem. Just I tell you,
How long will
No,
it take,
it is-
Advocate General, to publish the list?
As well as the vacancy position. my lord.
within a week, my lord, within a week, my lord will publish.
one problem is facing just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. And this kindly and this kindly, this side and that side. This is the real problem is creating. I
assure you.
I just give a subject to your losses, appreciate, Lord, acceptance. I have given one suggestion.
Please.
I am facing now. This not only this matter. I tell you, lords, I am opening my mind. Whether I lose or I gain, that's a different matter.
When the mind is without fear.
The problem is this now in these matters. In these matters, for few years in High Court, I am not taking any particular bench or particular things. Kindly appreciate this. Whenever in any selection is made, 1 unsuccessful candidate will come. Thereafter, 5 unsuccessful candidates will come. Anyway, stay everything. It's all right. Court. But anywhere, nowhere. I am not saying that my perception has to be accepted, but I am saying my perception has to be communicated.
Yes, absolutely. You have right.
That's right. And this is not that this entire all exercise is now everything. Here 15 minutes, then evening 5 hours, 4 to 5 hours per channel show. That's not the point, Millard. Point is that whether the successful candidates, not right of everyone is there, not the right only the unsuccessful candidate.
Everyone, correct.
Everyone. Lordship will, of course, Lordship will examine whether it is for my submission is this. No, whoever argue, let him argue. I don't mind. I may be called at the last, at the end.
No, which is the appellant?
No,
I'm the appellant. You are the appellant.
let them argue.
You are the respondent.
I have made an application and I have been added as a party now. But kindly let them kindly ensure this court, this Calcutta High Court is not meant for only for the counsels of the unsuccessful candidates. Yes, it is happening.
Very well.
It's happening.
Take down.
Well, we beg to
It's happening.
successful candidate.
You have heard the,
Published and
you have heard the,
Kindly let them publish one vacancy list also.
will you please allow us to pass an order?
Josh,
Will you please allow us to pass an order?
Kindly hear me for a minute. If my not permits.
If you find that after we dictate the order, your grievance is not being taken care of, you make yourself.
I tender my number.
On urgency being shown on behalf of the West Bengal Central, what is it?
Central School Service Commission.
West Bengal Central School Service Commission. The appeals and the connected applications are listed today. Mr. Advocate General has at the outset submitted that leave may be given to the Commission to publish the panel prepared pursuant to several directions passed from time to time.
My lord, panel and waiting list. Merit list. Merit list holo duto ke mean kore.
And wait-listed candidates. Publish the panel and wait-listed candidates prepared pursuant to several orders passed from time to time. And the matter may be decided thereafter. It appears that on 20 July 2021, a coordinate bench had directed certain exercise to be carried out by the Commission, and thereafter several orders have been passed directing the Commission to conclude the said exercise. Full stop. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties, we feel that no prejudice would be caused to anyone in the event the panel, along with the wait-listed candidates, are published along with vacancy position. Along with vacancy position.
Updated.
Along with the vacancy position.
My lord, what is required in law? My lord, what is required in law? My lord, we will indicate.
The current status cannot be said because as per the advertisement only.
No. That is
My lord, I'll deal with the rules, my lord.
Along with the vacancy
15
position.
days before the interview,
Along
that
with the
vacancy ought
vacancy
to
position.
declare. That is the dictum of the rule.
Within, Mr. Advocate General, within
1 week, my lord.
within 1 week from date. We keep it after 2 weeks.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord.
yes.
And for hearing, my lord.
For hearing, yes.
For hearing.
My lord,
The matter, all the appeals and the applications shall be heard together and listed after 2 weeks as the first matter under the heading hearing. The learned counsel for the parties are requested to file law notes along with a list of dates within 10 days from date.